Have you ever wondered how some 3D artists end up working at major VFX and animation studios, or even AAA game development giants like Blizzard, Rockstar, or Naughty Dog? But how does someone secure a long-term position at a place like Bethesda or ILM? Some people say it is pure skill, others insist it is just luck, but in reality, there might be a few overlooked details in these artists' career paths. Although numerous professionals begin as self-taught creators, a considerable number of highly recognized success stories arise from formal academic programs. Unfortunately, specialized animation schools are limited and dispersed globally, making them difficult to attend. As a result, the academic route remains a privilege that many aspiring artists cannot realistically pursue. That's where online learning platforms come into place. And in today's video, we're taking a closer look at some of the most recognized online training resources, the Gnomon Workshop. I have personally known about them basically my whole life, but I'm not alone, because it is a name that instantly resonates with 3D artists worldwide. And today, the Gnomon Workshop stands as one of the most successful and widely respected online learning platforms in the industry, and it was among the very first to fully embrace digital training for artists. Its workshops are designed and taught by industry veterans, professionals who have worked and continue to work at many of the world's top animation and game development studios, which is interesting to say the least. So how did this platform begin, and who is the person behind it? The story begins with the founder of Gnomon, Alex Alvarez. Alex's passion for computer graphics started early, but the true turning point came in 1993 with the release of Jurassic Park. Like everyone else, he was stunned by the groundbreaking CG work in the film. He dreamed of creating something similar, but high-end 3D graphics were beyond the reach of a home computer at the time. Professional workstations cost around $100,000, so he came up with a plan: enroll in an art college where he would gain access to the powerful machines needed to learn and experiment. After studying at the Art Center College of Design and the University of Pennsylvania, Alex landed a position as an application engineer at Alias Wavefront, the creators of Maya. From there, he worked with multiple studios across Southern California during the mid-90s, which is a time known as a turning point in computer graphics. 3D software were improving, and the new hardware was getting drastically faster, and Alex saw firsthand the rising demand for a new kind of artist as technology advanced. So in 1997, he founded Gnomon, the school, which is a place where he could teach others and make his passion for the entertainment industry meet other passionate fellow 3D artists. As a teacher, Alex has taught thousands of students on campus, online, and at events around the world. And being a teacher didn't stop him from being involved in the field, so he worked on titles like Star Trek, Prometheus, Super 8, Green Lantern, and Avatar, just to name a few. As you can see, his commitment for sharing knowledge helped establish both Gnomon and the Gnomon Workshop as some of the most respected institutions in the industry. When Gnomon started 28 years ago, it was much smaller than it is today. It began as a simple training center in California, but the quality of its classes quickly gained attention. Industry professionals started teaching there, and more students began enrolling. This helped the school grow faster than expected. A good example of that was when major studios like Disney and DreamWorks were shifting from 2D to 3D animation. Many of their artists needed training for the transition, to the new 3D animation era, so these studios sent them to Gnomon. By that point, Gnomon was already known within large studios as a reliable place to learn 3D skills, but this wasn't the end of the story. In the early 2000s, as DVDs are becoming widely accessible, around that time, Alex had an idea. He started the Gnomon Workshop with just 4 VHS training videos focused on Maya back in 2000. The response was overwhelming, and seeing how much attention they received, he began producing more content. He even reached out to other Gnomon instructors to collaborate. By 2003, the project had fully transitioned to DVDs and expanded further by bringing in industry artists, people who had worked at ILM and other major studios. Over the years, Gnomon Workshop continued to grow, and by around 2010, it evolved into a fully online platform, streaming workshops to 3D artists all around the world. These workshops were created by professionals from studios like ILM, Blizzard, and Naughty Dog. With just a few clicks, anyone could access training that previously required traveling to California. The platform continued to expand, and today it offers 26 different learning paths, including concept art, environment design, character rigging, animation, texturing, etc. In total, over 1,000 hours of training, taught by more than 250 instructors. As you can imagine, thousands of 3D artists around the world use the workshop as a learning resource, and many success stories began there. During the mid-2000s, and recently during COVID, many tutorials, subscription services, and virtual workshops emerged, making it easier for everyone to learn at their own pace. Despite this, the Gnomon Workshop stands out for several reasons. One of the main differences, as mentioned earlier, is a strong connection to the professional 3D and visual effects industry. The Gnomon Workshop is essentially an extension of the Gnomon School, which is why so many of its instructors are active industry professionals. They are artists who have worked on major films, animations, and even AAA video games. Another factor that makes Gnomon Workshop unique is its ability to adapt to industry demands and newer technologies. Although it has been around as long as some of the biggest animation and VFX studios, and it is one of the first to offer workshops on ZBrush and Maya, the workshop continues to integrate new tools and software into its learning paths. A clear example of this is Unreal Engine. When it began gaining attention, Gnomon Workshop was among the first platforms to incorporate it into its workshops. Many Gnomon School teachers also work as instructors at the Gnomon Workshop. Listing all of them would take forever, but there are a few notable examples. For example, to Stephen Cunane, whose credits include Venom, Let There Be Carnage, Maleficent 2, Hellboy, and The Walking Dead. And Josh Herman, who contributed to projects like The Amazing Spider-Man, Total Recall, and The Avengers. As you can see, the main goal of Gnomon Workshop has always been to make high-level education in 3D and visual effects more accessible to anyone, anywhere. Unlike traditional programs, you don't need a scholarship, a long application process, or even a flight to California to access professional workshops. This approach has actually opened many doors for many professionals and other countless artists who might not have had the opportunity otherwise. By providing online access to training from industry professionals, the Gnomon Workshop has changed the way many artists learn and grow. It has even given them the tools, knowledge, and guidance to succeed in competitive industries. Gnomon didn't start as a massive online platform. In fact, it began as a simple idea from one person with a vision. And over the years, this vision has expanded into a hub that supports thousands of artists around the world. The workshops cover a wide range of topics, from modeling, texturing, and animation, to more specialized areas like lighting, rendering, and concept design. Each workshop is created and taught by professionals who work in major studios, which means the information you get is not just theoretical, it's practical and directly relevant to the industry. I personally believe that the Gnomon Workshop has actually transformed the way artists around the world approach learning, especially in 3D and visual effects. So what started as a one-person idea has grown into a resource that has shaped careers, inspired creativity, and continues to make a difference for anyone willing to learn. If you're curious about what they offer and would like to explore their workshops yourself, Gnomon Workshop has kindly provided a 20% discount on the first month or first year of a new subscription plan using the code TUTS20. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to this channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.